Hello and welcome to a new video of our Rebuild It series where we recreate image-only emails sent out by real brands in our drag and drop HTML email builder. This week we are recreating Everlane's image-only email. As you can see, it's a very clean looking email with the earth-toned colors, which is very true to their brand. But most importantly, their email template has a very simple layout and it's very easy to put together in Chamaileon. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is drag an image element and drop it in the first block. Double-click on the image to open the gallery and choose the logo. Using the right-hand panel, adjust the width of the logo and add margins to the sides. Navigate to the breadcrumb menu and select the block, then Content to change the background color of the first block. Next, drag and drop a divider, change the line color and height. And we want to only add paddings to the left and right sides, so click on Separate, then adjust the padding on the sides only. Next, drag and drop a text element and we're writing the first email content. Center the text, change the font to Helvetica, change the text size and color, and then adjust the padding. We're switching the order of the divider and text element so they are more true to the email template. Now, for the email headline, all you need to do is select your text element and copy it. Don't forget to change the text style to heading 1, which is an important setting for email accessibility and to improve your overall email HTML code quality. And as usual, use the panel on the right to edit your text style, font, size, and color. Drag and drop an image element, open the gallery and select the hero image, which is a beautiful display of Everlane's products, and duplicate the text element from above and drag it down under the image. So instead of recreating the same steps over and over again, we only really need to do it once and then simply duplicate the elements and change the content. Now we want to add 2 CTA buttons, so drag and drop a column element. Add spacing on the left and right and in between the columns. Insert a button in one of the columns and change the CTA, then change the button size from fit to text to fixed and adjust the width. And this will help us get a nice and wide CTA. We can also edit the button text, font, color and size just like we did with the text element. Adjust the border radius for a clean and sharp look, and then change the button background color and edit the top and bottom spacing by separating the padding. Switch off the Fluid on Mobile option so that the button maintains its width on mobile devices as well. And of course, duplicate the button and drag it to the right column instead of recreating the whole process. And don't forget to change your text and your links obviously, and we are good to go. Now, the rest of the email building process is basically duplicating elements we have already designed and dragging them to their right position. And that's what we've done. We have duplicated the text element and dragged it down into a new block and then edited the text, and using the right side panel we edited the text styling and changed the background as usual. We dragged and dropped image element and then double click to open the gallery, select an image and then make the necessary changes to the padding and margin options. Drag and drop a multi-column element, add a column and select the one on the left, adjust the width to 153 pixels, lock it and then hide the column on mobile. And we're recreating the same settings for the right column as well. Insert a transparent divider in both columns, and the goal of this process is to maintain or make sure that the text is well positioned and centered on desktop. Using the breadcrumb menu, select the whole multi-column element from above containing the 2 CTA buttons and then drag it down. We're editing the spacing options on the side so it fits better with this block setting. Now select the block and click on the three dot icon on the right. Then click on the copy icon, and this will duplicate the whole block we've just designed. And all we have to do now is change the text and image and do it again for the fourth and final promotional block of the email, which contains only one CTA button instead of two, so simply move one of the CTAs out of the columns and then delete the multi-column element. Now for the footer, we only need a text element, so drag and drop a text element and copy paste your footer information. And using the right side panel, you can style your text. And we all know that it's important to add an unsubscribe link to your emails, so double click on the word unsubscribe in your footer and click on the hyperlink icon. And then select Other under Protocol and write your ESP's unsubscribe merge tag or link. And this will allow you to embed your email in your ESP, and your unsubscribe link will work automatically. Then click on Preview to view your email on mobile and desktop, and you can also generate a share link and invite your colleagues to leave comments and change design requests to your email. Using Chamaileon, we were able to recreate a complete email template in under 10 minutes. No coding was required, just a fun and effortless drag and drop motion that allowed us to save time and send out a perfect HTML email that won't break and that is definitely not image only. So I invite you all to try out our editor, our free editor for yourselves, and enjoy a stress-free email design experience. And you'll find all of our links in the description box below. You can also follow us on social media channels at chamaileon.io or check out our previous videos on the Rebuilt It series. Thank you all for watching and see you next time.